Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we explore the latest tech. Today, we have an exciting preview of the upcoming Yamaha HA-L7A headphone amplifier. Designed to match the exceptional Yamaha HA-L7A headphones. This amplifier promises to deliver a truly special audio experience. Let's dive in. Yamaha, known for its high-quality audio equipment, surprised us with the HA-L7A headphones, setting a new standard in the premium headphone market. Now, Yamaha has developed a headphone amplifier specifically designed to complement these top-tier headphones, the HA-L7A. The HA-L7A stands out with its unique design, matching the utilitarian aesthetic of the HA-L7A headphones. Its all-black aluminum casing and functional display screen exude a sense of quality and engineering. The power supply unit, with its two protruding cylinders, ensures minimal interference with the audio circuitry. Although technical details are scarce at this stage, we know that the HA-L7A has been designed from the ground up to deliver a powerful output of 1000 mW plus 1000 mW. It will drive a range of premium headphones, not limited to Yamaha's own. The HA-L7A also features a DAC module, offering various input options such as USB, digital coaxial, optical, and RCA analog. Inside, it houses the S9038 Pro DAC chip, ensuring compatibility with high-res audio files. Switchable analog RCA and XLR pre-in-line outputs provide further versatility. On the front panel, you'll find an XLR balanced connection, a 4.4mm balanced connection, and a 6.3mm standard socket for headphones. The HA-L7A may also incorporate Yamaha's sound field correction technology, enhancing the headphone listening experience. During our brief time with the HA-L7A and the YH5000 headphones, the pairing sounded harmonious and impressive. The fluid dynamics, clear detail, and spacious sound field were evident as we listened to various tracks. The combination effortlessly brought out the texture and nuances in the music. While we still await the final production sample and pricing details, we anticipate the HA-L7A to be in a similar price range as the YH5000 headphones, potentially totaling around $10,000 for the set. We are excited to explore the full capabilities of the Yamaha HA-L7A when it's released later this year and provide a comprehensive review. That wraps up our preview of the Yamaha HA-L7A headphone amplifier. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech previews and reviews. This is Product Critique, signing off.